Tugacokereria oro wega muikariri giti wa motungata ma arutani TSC Jamrek Muturi augite ni makoretwo magithingata thirikari gwetha kihonia kia wagi wa arutani mathukuru-ini ma muthingi bururi-ini. Augite wagi wa kigina kiiganu kuma kuri thirikari nene niguo muhinga munene hari ukinyaniria wa motungata ma arutani. Wagare Maria Muigana ni wina riboti ino.
Arige ikaro-ini na arutani anene a mathukuru ma muthingi muikariri giti wa TSC Jamrek Muturi augite unyitaniri-ini na thirikari ni makoretwo magietha kihonia gia thina wa wagi wa arutani uria ugumeire mathukuru maingi bururi-ini.
We are working with all stakeholders. We have consulted, and Madam Antonina is aware of that, with the parliament for more funding, because the national government gives us money to recruit at least 5,000 teachers per year. And we usually replace the ones that leave the TSC through natural attrition.
Augite ni marathingata thirikari igie na mitaratara mikinyaniru ya gwetha uigananu hari wandikani wa arutani niguo gutigirira gutire icigo kana thukuru imwe ciagararwo kana ikahinyiririo.
We are still pleading with the national government to give us more money so that we recruit more teachers, and we also try to do proper staff balancing so that all institutions have at least adequate teachers, so that we can deliver to the pupils.
Nao arutani aya ni magathiriirie mutaratara mweru wa CBC kuria merire gukinyaniria mathomo maya kuri arutwo.
The delegates have also resolved to continue supporting the government's initiative of integrating ICT into education through the digital learning program.
When the country is facing a serious economic challenge, our parents have lost their businesses, they have lost their jobs. So you find that most of our parents are actually having issues of finances.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa wandikani wa arutani kurendekana arutani makiria ma 46,000 guku bururi-ini. Angiribotera Inooro TV, Geto Wagare Maria wa Muigana.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi ni endithĩirie a Kenya mwaka mwega wa 2022. Ndomereri-ini yake Musalia augite ona gutuika kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 mihituku gukoretwo na moritũ bururi-ini maria marehetwo ni mututhuko wa murimu wa COVID-19. a Kenya ni makoretwo makigerera ihinda iritu ria wagi wa mawira na uritu wa muturire. Nona gukiri uguo Musalia ni erire muingi ati mwaka twerekeire wa githurano no anyitirire kioneki gia gutuika president na kurehe mogarũrũku bururi-ini.
The past 2 years, 2020 and 2021, have been most traumatic for Kenyans and indeed for the rest of the world. We came under siege from the COVID-19 pandemic and the attendant challenges. For us in Kenya, the pandemic only worsened an already staggering economy and an overloaded health sector. Kenyans have lost their sources of income and even lost confidence in themselves. It almost sounds hypocritical to wish our long-suffering people a happy and prosperous new year when most indicators are that 2022 will be another difficult year.
Timu ya Manchester United ni rahotire timu ya Burnley na bao 3-1 gucania EPL irathakirwo hwa kiharo-ini kia Old Trafford. Bao cia United irafungirwo ni MC Tomina